let's get started on how to delete Eclipse from your desktop or computer. First of all, you have to click on this Eclipse icon on your desktop and then click on Open File Location. After that, you will see a window open on your C drive. Then now you have to click on Back and you will see Eclipse. So just right click on your mouse and delete this Eclipse folder like this. So this will delete your Eclipse from your computer, and just after that restart your computer and Eclipse will be deleted from your computer forever. So here you can see that Eclipse is deleted from my C drive, and let's refresh. Now just what you have to do is restart your computer.